Can you survive the truth? The unseen forces, Minecraft's psychological impact. At first glance, Minecraft seems harmless, just a world of blocks, sunlight, and simple creatures. But as night falls, everything changes. Your heart races, your palms sweat. What is it about this game that triggers such primal fear? The answer lies in something deeper than the mobs themselves. The game's lighting mechanics and sounds tap into your most basic survival instincts. From the subtle, eerie sounds of the ambient cave noises to the relentless groans of zombies in the distance, Minecraft's soundtrack is designed to play with your mind, creating tension even when you're alone. The deeper you go, the darker it gets. But did you know that the game's darkest biome isn't the Nether? It's not the end either. It's something much closer to home, something within the very physics of Minecraft itself. The dark physics of Minecraft's world. Minecraft's physics aren't just about blocks falling or water flowing. There's an unseen force at work that many players overlook, a hidden tension. A pressure that builds as you descend deeper into the world. Why is it that the further down you go, the more likely you are to encounter something horrifying, like the Warden? This is the dark physiology of Minecraft, a world that seems normal, but has its own sinister rules. The deeper you go, the more intense the threats become. Because the game forces you into a life-or-death struggle against these dangers. And here's the kicker, it's designed to manipulate your fear. You see, Minecraft's physics don't just limit what can happen, they shape how you experience fear. It's in the way sounds grow louder as you enter caves, the way the light dims and shadows creep in. It's the game's way of pressuring you to act, to feel the weight of your survival. The terrifying reality of creepers and the psychological warfare. And then there's the creeper. On the surface, it's just a green creature that explodes. But take a closer look. Why does it never make a sound until it's too late? Why does it stalk you, waiting for the right moment to strike? Creepers are a manifestation of Minecraft's most unsettling psychological tactic. The threat of the unseen. The game creates a constant sense of danger, but keeps it invisible. You're never quite sure when the danger will strike, but you know it's always there, just out of sight. This randomness creates a deep sense of paranoia. The fear of when is often more terrifying than the fear of what. Creepers play on this, forcing you to always be on edge, never knowing when disaster will strike. The Endermen and the true nature of the unknown. And there's another creature far more unsettling, the Enderman. It doesn't attack you right away. No, it just stares. What makes the Enderman truly terrifying isn't its towering figure, it's what it represents. The unknown. You can't fight it unless you look it in the eyes. But the game doesn't tell you why. It's this element of mystery that keeps you second-guessing your every move. In Minecraft, the unknown is the greatest threat of all. And the game doesn't just hint at it, it forces you to confront it. The true horror lies beneath. But there's one last secret that Minecraft hides. A secret so terrifying that it's buried in the game's core mechanics. The true horror isn't just the mobs or the structures, it's what lies beneath. In the game's code itself, what happens when you combine all the forces of this world. The game manipulates you, playing on your deepest fears, making you question everything you think you know. And once you've discovered it, you can never unsee it. The question is, can you survive the truth? If you want to dive deeper into the dark world of Minecraft, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And remember, the deeper you dig, the darker it gets.